In this video, we'll guide you through how to clear the cache on your Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Your cache can be slowing your Mac down. So all you need to do is go and open up your Finder and go to the top and click on Go. And you want to go and click on Go to Folder. Now what you want to do is go and type this in here, the squiggly line /library/caches. I'll go and put this in the description so you can copy and paste it in like so. Press Enter and this will take you here. Here you need to select all the files and folders. To do so, you can press Command+A or go to the top left of your Mac, click on Edit and click on Select All, and that will select it all. In Cache folder, right-click on it and select Move to Trash. And what you can do is go and open up the bin, and you can click on Empty and Empty again, and you've now gone and cleared your cache. If you found this useful, then leave a like.